Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You may have to add a dash more due to the difference in consistency, but it'll taste so much better. Add a dash of club soda. Homemade pancakes are so fluffy because when you make them from scratch, it gives them a chance to form more air bubbles. Add some melted butter. Spice it up.
Let's help you make your mark.
Water makes them lighter. Water doesn't make it as tough as milk. The trick is to add just a splash of water to the bowl after you crack and whisk the eggs. The water, when heated on the stove, creates a steaming effect and aids in a fluffier end result.
Take our lead.
Baking powder and baking soda are the chemical leaveners typically used in pancakes. They are responsible for the bubbles in the batter, and for making the cakes light and fluffy. Too much baking powder will create a very puffy pancake with a chalky taste, while too little will make it flat and limp.
Take our lead.
To make Bisquick pancakes without milk, or Bisquick biscuits without milk, substitute an equal amount water or non-dairy milk for the milk called for on the recipe on the package. Use water instead and you won't add these macronutrients to your Bisquick pancakes or biscuits.
Let's help you make your mark.
Add eggs. Some boxed pancake mixes already require you to add in a couple eggs, but if your pancake mix doesn't, you absolutely should. Adding eggs to your pancake mix will give the batter a better texture and flavor, more resemblant of homemade pancakes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.